this session by stretching our necks. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. You can actually lift and widen your eyes by doing this massage on a daily basis. Many of you are writing to share your wonderful experiences and how my videos are significantly changing the way you look. I sincerely appreciate you sharing your fantastic outcomes. Use your knuckles to stimulate your eyebrow area and underneath the eyes. Be very gentle here. Make sure your hands are gliding well against your skin. You can assist it by using a lotion. Please see the link down below for the great lotion suggestions. You don't have to press too hard to get good results. Be very gentle here. Lift this area by using your 2 fingers. You can do both sides at the same time. Pinch your eyebrows. You can pinch them as hard as you like. This helps lift the eyelid from sagging. Using both hands and 2 fingers, do the raindrop massage. Glide your fingers outward. Save time by working on both sides simultaneously. Using your thumbs, do the acupressure on the inner brows. This movement also helps with sinus pressure and headaches. Use the soft side of your index finger and glide underneath the eye gently. Just like our bodies, when we exercise our face muscles every day, you'll see a noticeable improvement. Press down the hairline using 2 fingers. You can press as hard as you like here, but not too hard, it's painful. Tap your forehead, again as hard as you like. Stimulate the collagen production here. Using your knuckles, glide over your eyebrows. Pull your fingers from the center of the forehead and squint. This is so good for removing 11 lines. As you try to glance up, pull your brows down. This works the best for strengthening the forehead muscles, and you can prevent future wrinkles forming here or remove the wrinkles you may already have. Using the south side of your index fingers, smooth out the under eye area. Glide the eye area. It feels more secured and controlled when using both hands like this. Using your fingertips, gently massage and smooth the area just above the brows. Rub the side of the nose upward to the brows. Skin around the nose also sags over time. Let's prevent that from happening. Do the circular motion on the forehead, then rub and smooth it out. Massage the forehead upward and make sure you include the brow area all the way to the hairline. Gently pinch the skin and promote collagen around the eyes. Thank you so much for watching. If these videos make your day a little better, would you like to buy me a coffee on Ko-Fi? You'll find the link down below. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.